How to reset Valorant password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can reset Valorant password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So resetting the Valorant password means resetting your Riot account password. So you have to open up a browser and type in Riot Games. Then navigate to the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to recover your account, navigate to top right corner, click on the sign in button. That's gonna take you to the sign in page. Since we want to recover our account, here click on can't sign in link in this login prompt. Here you have a few options that you can choose from. If you have forgotten your username, select the first option, and if you have forgotten your password, click on the second option. So click on it according to your choice. So once you're here, it says you have to enter your username that you used to sign in with your account. So here type in your correct username, and at the top make sure you select your correct server from here too. So select your server. After that, enter your username that is linked with your account. Then click on this arrow icon that says next on this interface. After you click on it, then you will receive a password reset link in your email that you have used while creating your account if you have entered the correct username. So you have to check your Gmail and then check an email from the Riot Games. There you will have a link to reset your password. Click on the link and that's gonna take you to the reset password page where you have to enter the new password, retype the password, and then confirm it. Once your password has been changed, now you can log in with your newly created password. So in this way you can recover or you can change your Valorant password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.